What's up, guys? This is our IXL Y9. I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to be writing these in y equals mx plus b form. It's slope-intercept form. So remember what we're going to be writing those in. We want it in that form. Y equals the slope times the x value
Y equals
plus
mx plus d will be
b, our y-intercept. Okay? So what we have to do is we have to first look to find the y-intercept. So if you'll find the y-intercept, here's your y line. So where did the black line cross this red one?
And if you heard the song
Please stop.
From the quiz, that's what it equals. Y equals mx plus b.
So our b here is 0. All right. Next thing we need to do is find our slopes. We just need to find another point. So there's another point right there we can use. So we can count up how many we went up and over to write our slope. So we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we went over 1. So our slope here would be 5 over 1 x. And so we would type it in just like this. Y equals, you can put 5 over 1, or you can just put 5x plus 0, or you can just put 5x if you wanted to. So there it is. We got it correct. We move on to the next one. Do the same thing here. We want to y equals our slope times the x value
B.
plus my y-intercept b. So I want to find where my y-intercept is. So it's where it crosses the y-axis, or that blue line. So it's right there. So here's my first point at 4. Okay. Now I need to find my slope, or how this is changing. Now I can tell this is a positive line because it's moving from left to right upward. So I need one more point. So there's a point there. I can use any one of these points that I'm putting on this line and drawing my triangle. It doesn't matter. So what I want to do here, so let's use a bigger triangle. So I'm going to use the 4 here, and I'm going to go up and over. So how many did I do for my rise? I went up 3. 4 to 7 is 1, 2, 3. And I went over from 0 to 3, so I went over 3. So I've got my slope to be 3 over 3x. And it's going to be plus 4. Now I do need to simplify 3 over 3. 3 over 3 simplifies to 1. So I'm going to actually leave it as 1x plus 4. And there it is. So I can put that into my equation here. Y equals 1x plus 4. And I get to jump to another one. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, the same thing. I want to find the y-intercept. So where does this black line cross this purplish line here? Oops, it'd be helpful if I could draw a straight line there. So it crosses right down here at 0. So erase that so you can see that. So you can see here, it's going to cross right down there at 0. So I know my y-intercept is going to be 0. And I'm going to have to find out what my slope is. So my slope here is, I just need to find another point on this line. There's another point on the line right there. So I can draw my triangle. Let's do that one in red. So from here, my one point down here to this point, find my rise. So that's up 600. And complete my triangle. I went over 100. And I can simplify that. 600 divided by 100 gives me 6, or 6 over 1. And I can put it right into my Desmos calculator, and there it is. Okay, so that's what I'm going to type in. Y equals, and I can put 6x. I can put plus 0 if I want to. It doesn't matter. They both work, and there you go. Okay, so you're going to do this one here, and I believe we are going this one here. We're only going to go to a 50 on this one. So you only have a short amount to do that. And look, I've done 3 problems. I'm at a 28. So I think you guys can get that one taken care of. All right. This is Mr. O and Turd Butt Noah signing out.
I'm not Turd